.2008 Hyundai Veracruz SU5. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 6-sill, FWD multi-function steering wheel, airbag deactivation, vanity mirrors, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, turn signal mirrors, EBD electronic brake assist, EBA emergency brake assist, power steering, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, cruise control, rear window wiper, rear spoiler, bucket seats, child safety locks, trip computer, traction control system, auto express down window, door pocket S, center console, fuel data display, privacy glass, power mirrors, illuminated entry system, color-coded mirrors, rear window defroster, reading light S, anti-theft security system, outside temperature gauge, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, intermittent wipers, anti-lock.